Nice payouts, Philip, on that funded next. That's good.
Yeah, yeah, 17K total on 3 MNQ. It's
Oh,
good.
Yep,
nice. Very nice.
that's good.
Oh, from October, Alex, from October, but
It's okay.
no blown account or November maybe.
It's alright. Timing
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
takes it it takes time when you're doing 3 to 4 MNQ on the evals and then up to drawdown level and then a bit more and then start to get payout. Because that's like
So
6K in profit before you can take
so
payout on 4 MNQ. Take time.
so Philip, if you're
Yeah.
like have a good buffer, let's say you have like over 4K or 5K buffer on
Uh,
fifth light. So do
no,
you still go with 3 MNQ or do you go?
no, I don't get that buffer. I just take out.
No. What if you get that buffer and then do you still stick with the same plan or you go with
No, I would size up as slights, I think, then.
okay.
I size depend on the drawdown overall.
Hmm.
But those small accounts are more for like getting some payouts. I mean, uh, I'm not gonna, if they go take me to live, it's like almost nothing, So
Yeah,
I
you probably
just
wouldn't want to
use
get
them to
taken
get the
alive.
1K.
I'd probably just
No,
take as
not
many
53.
payouts as possible. At
Yeah,
least
on
for
the
me.
50Ks. The big ones, Lucid, where I have 6 to 8, 9 drawdown. I mean, getting to live there will be a lot more money overall, So
Yeah,
that's
what
fine. You take a payout and you still have like 30K or something.
so does Lucia has like a certain amount of profit you're gonna take it before they take it to the live account or like
I think Tradify and Lucid both has 100K, but the total payouts they always take you to live, but they kinda take you to live also with how I'm trading, slow and steady. If they see that you traded like 80, 90 days and taking some payout, they're probably gonna
oh
make
my
you
god,
live.
yeah. Yeah, I saw that one of the I saw it on a X platform that one of the guy took the 1900 payout and they took them into the live.
No, that's some bullshit. If you see the answer there, he already got 100K profit
Oh,
from them
oh, okay.
with that.
Uh,
So they just made him live because of that 100K. He was gonna get live before and blow his count. So I think most firms has at least 100K. They're gonna just set a stop loss on you. That's fine. 100K is quite a lot of money.
yep.
So nice personal account instead, so you don't need to. At some point, like we that are trading many firms, we're gonna have problem finding firms that want to have Aussie, So you just take as many payouts as you can, and then found more on the live over time, I guess.
Yeah, this was a great breakout that we had on the 4 hour. Very nice break. I like it. I think we should have pulled the 400, right? Yeah, we were at 400. Okay, cool.
Making food. I'm a bit late because I took a walk and the notes I have, a small metal thing in the foot. So I use like 20 minutes to shower the foot and trying to take that out.
Mm-hmm.
Small and long, super hard to get. I got half of it at least. Took a long time. Pin set. First day with the Apex. PH.
I can't believe it's Thursday already. I can't believe the month is gonna end.
Yeah. Been a good month though.
It's been a good
Right.
month.
Yeah. And soon summer. Maybe not that soon, but
Yeah, still got a while for that, but yeah, we're not even in spring yet, Philip. Think about summer already. Microsoft, yeah, great breakout from there. Up to 400. That's nice. Not really sure what to think, honestly. Like, a lot of tickers are resistance here, but not sure. Google breaking out of its flag. That's nice. Very nice, actually. 314. Resistance right here, and then above here, we probably would look to take out the highs again. 319, 320. And Nvidia had earnings. Looks like it was flat though, although we were able to tap into 200. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be opening up flat from the earnings. So maybe we'll actually see some more buying come in since we are flat. I did not look at the report. Wait, what was it? Oh wow, they beat their earnings a lot. 1.45 to actual 1.6. That's a lot. Big difference
yeah,
there.
quite good. Yeah. But the expectation is super high also, so that's
yeah.
the hard part, right?
Yeah. Okay. And we're going to be opening right around 400 here, which is nice. This was kind of my upside target from yesterday. So I almost want to see some selling come in today. Possibly. Ooh, Netflix is up? Really? Let's see. I didn't grab my buy, or take my ad in at 75. Oh yeah, right around my entry price actually, 83.
Yeah, we are slightly in profit of BE now, right?
Yeah,
Something like that.
yeah, we are.
And PayPal come quite good also. Still in net loss, but
It's alright. It's shares. Not too worried about it.
yeah. What was your target on Chevron? Was it 194 or
On what?
Chevron?
Oh, Chevron 200.
Yeah, 200. Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that would be like 20% then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we're up like 30 now, I think.
Yeah.
14%.
Yeah, I like 200 possibly.
Oh.
Chart is at 225. That just hold down a little bit. They're still up from our entry. Envio's flat. I should take my buy today.
That was too early. Surprise! It doesn't matter that much. Doesn't matter, really. It's super impossible to get there. Yeah. To get your 360, like on Nasdaq, on stocks.
Oh, DEO had their earnings. Look,
Yeah, they're up, right?
no, they're down
Oh, they're down. Oh,
a lot. They're down to 87. It's
didn't-
actually my buy spot, I think, right?
oh.
What did I say with my buy here?
80 to 87, I think we said.
90 to 98.
Oh, 90. Oh, it's down that much. Wow. Haven't looked
A
at it.
lot, yeah.
Was the earnings bad though? Haven't
Probably.
read about it. Yeah. I'm not 100% sure about that company. Just TA, it was. It's similar to Novo Nordisk, I guess. Value or value trap.
I mean, it rejected, I guess, at the correct spot in terms of the structure. So I guess it's still fine. We're at the lower end though, so we actually would want to put in a new low below 84 actually, if we're looking at this correctly. I think. Right? Let's see. Yeah, we should
Yeah.
put in a new low below 84.
About 5% DA, I think now then. I like cash flow on stocks like that because it give you, as long as they're not over dividing above what they can, the free cash flow. It's like a limit downside if they just continue with that cash flow and don't lower it. In that sense. Because as long as a company has nice cash flow, it's similar to PayPal actually. They're gonna be our value sometimes because the divided isn't gonna be that much from the actual stock price.
I still like Duolingo though, I'll say that. Duolingo is
It's up,
still
or
nice.
is
It's
it,
actually up,
is it
yeah.
down?
It's up a little bit. Not really actually. It's kind of hasn't really moved much actually. Yeah, I still want this a little bit lower before I look to buy this. Although maybe I'm just being picky. This isn't a terrible spot either. Yeah. I had someone ask me to look at some other names as well. Let me go look at them. PDD, CRM.
Hallå alla. Lukas? Tim, du har inte druckit någonting? Oh, sorry Alex.
I guess PDD is support here, but this is a big trend line here on the weekly. It's not perfect in terms of the touch points, but I don't think it's bad either. I kind of like it a bit lower. It's not bad here though either. Probably prefer like 90, 80 though. And CRM. I think we already charted CRM. Right? Yeah, we already charted CRM. It is a support here, but another leg down, I think for me was be a little bit better. Down to 150 if I were to look to buy that. Okay.
And Microsoft. Oh, nice. Mm. I'm not super sold on the higher time frame here on the Nasdaq though. Wonder if we're gonna backtest the 25 100 again or not,
Yeah, I guess we'll see.
or 200 ish. But I mean a double top for the time being. See if it's
Yeah.
buying or selling.
We do not have any data today, right? I don't think so. Unless my calendar is wrong. I don't think we have anything today. Yeah, no. Oh well, no. Bowman talks at 10. That shouldn't be too big of a concern. We should be okay. I guess we're getting some profit taking off the open here after Nvidia earnings. Those IV should drop a lot. It should be back to normal. Yeah. Yeah, we should see that come down eventually. But yeah, look at those 200 premiums. They literally got burned. Really, really bad. Really, really bad. They're only at 86 bucks now. They closed yesterday at $4 or 4 something, I believe. So, yeah, you would have gotten burned on those. A lot. A lot. I think the theta was like 2 point something for yesterday. So, I'm glad we're out of those, I guess. Nvidia retesting 191 support. We should see some buying here if we actually want to hold this area. This is the technically the long area for me on Nvidia. We would want to see this get defended and then continue to hold here and potentially come back up to 200 again. Oops, that is very loud.
Was it you, Alex?
That was me. Oops.
Are you listening to that high of music while you're trading
Yeah,
and
no,
talking?
I opened my phone really quick and then
Oh, okay, okay.
volume up, I guess. Should down pull down an overnight low here. What's the volatility look like? I want to see if price action is going to go back to normal and the ATR is hopefully not like yesterday. 340 to 370. I think we could get the overnight low tap here on this candle close. Should be able to. So it's gonna be about 80-point opening candle. It's not the worst opening candle. There it is. Overnight low there.
Still see selling here on the.
Yeah, tickers are selling here.
see.
We should see buying here though.
Mm.
Is it based on tickers where they're at? At least for me, anyways.
Yep.
Should see
Yeah, I
some
see
buying
it.
step in here. Because
Oh,
we
Nvidia sold. Yeah.
on the
sweet.
bigger structure we did break upside, so this will be the retest of that breakout. At least for me.
Yeah, on the 4-hour, right?
Yeah.
Either hold here or we should go for the 5-130 on the high time frame. 200. Yeah. Overnight low.
I actually wouldn't mind longing here, to be honest.
Yeah.
Directly off overnight low here.
So sorry, we're doing 120 sticks. Yeah, I got a 30 point, not 160. Yeah. My math is so bad. 120. Yeah. Don't see any buying on CVD here.
We're filling this imbalance here on the left. Around the liquidity, 260. Waiting for Nvidia to log on this support here. No support at 189. Although, yeah.
It took the internal high on the daily and then sold. Yeah. Interesting. Expected. Should be
Yeah.
a retest on the 4-hour if it doesn't want to do something weird.
Or retest actually is a lot lower. Looking back at it.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
lot lower.
Yeah, on the
actually.
4-hour, 4
Yeah.
hour is 100-ish.
Yeah, but we have this imbalance that we should, start filling at least a little bit. I don't think we'll get a direct retest. That's a little too low for me. I think we could definitely fill some of this imbalance though. Yeah, support. A level here at 189. Let's see if it runs through that or not.
And some buying on the CD here, slight. I'm minus quite a lot on both, but first buying from the open. We went right to previous week high there on Nvidia backtest it 190.1. This could be used as support on the high time frame if it doesn't want to sell here. Nice buying there. Sorry.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, maybe they are so biased there at the previous week high. Meta looks strong here. Microsoft looks okay. Google I don't like really, but there's some room 3 or 5 here.
Nice hold on the overnight low. Close there.
Yep.
Looks like we're still trying to sell this though, for me.
Yeah.
I'm looking at SPY right now. I kind of want SPY to tap an overnight low here as well, and then look long. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for SPY here. Google selling us a little bit more.
Yeah, sellers
VGO
went
selling.
in there again after that pop.
Yeah, straight to
That's
view
a-
up there.
Mm.
SPY should get this tap here any second. Come on. It's literally right there.
Yeah, so close. Take the lows there on 48. Could still do a 1 minute H here and we tap that. Don't buy it up here. Seen some buying on the CVD here slightly. Higher high.
Getting some buying, yeah. Kinda looks good.
ES is going though. ES is
Yeah,
going.
there it is. I got the top.
And for me, we were like 1 point from it.
I
But
think. Yeah, we're basically there.
yeah, defended that. Maybe yeah. See some buying here. Hmm.
Now we should have gotten it right.
Come on. No, 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 not yet.
No, really?
No, now
There we go.
we got it. Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Nvidia sold that pop there on previous week high.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yes, selling through it. Weak reaction there.
Yeah, still have time on a
No.
close, but
Yeah.
Want us to take liquidity at the lows and flip this. Hopefully.
Oh, didn't take the low there.
I think AVGO is leading this downside move, and Google, and I guess Nvidia.
Yeah.
AVGO sold the most though.
Really? Yeah, 4.2%.
Yeah, it's a lot actually.
So some buying there.
Trying to defend overnight low.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm long. See if this actually holds or not at the
Wait,
support.
Where do you have your
62.
stop?
Sorry, I'm in at 62, so 32.
So your stop is 32.
Oh wow, that's actually very tight. Might actually get tagged on that. Oh wow, yeah, he's got tagged. All right, never mind.
Yeah.
Needs to tag out. That was quick. That really was not a lot of
Yeah,
points.
yeah. Ethereum is not that low, I guess. Yeah. We took the low, damn it.
Yeah. And now it's gonna pop. Watch.
Yeah. Could do. Yeah. Thought our stop would be enough for the tag though, but it wasn't.
Yeah, I didn't really consider the ATR there. It actually, you know. Looks fine though still. I
Yeah.
think we could still see buying here. So I want to take another entry.
Mm. If it recovered overnight low there, I think we had room to 320, so the R2R was not bad. But just stepping in and selling now.
Now for that long, I would look for above view up actually,
Oh, okay.
because we held on the close there,
Mm.
above overnight low. So look for that to get bought, which you
Yeah.
still can, still can.
Yeah.
Plenty of time still.
Do you still look good on your picture, bro? Is that a panda? No, it's not.
Yeah, Snoop
Lil
Dogg.
Uzi.
It's a Snoop Dogg. Okay, I thought it was
Snoop
you.
Dogg.
Oh, that's yeah.
Might sell this deeper here. Nvidia's still selling this.
I had a better entry, but I still got tagged on 30 points precisely on the bottom there. Took the low. Yeah, would have gotten tagged here anyway, so
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
yeah, we're still selling this.
Yeah.
Nvidia sold this. Low support there, and then AVGO is not really moving here. Google sold more. I guess we will have room. Should have room then. 160.
Yeah, 160, 140 ish.
I mean, we still took out the low though. We did run the liquidity at the lows. We actually still could
Yeah.
get bought here.
I think Apple looks fine also. Microsoft Meta here.
Yeah, I
And
mean tickers
yeah.
are at support here.
Yeah, Nvidia could
I
still
kind of
go
want to
for
try
VWAP
this.
here.
40. Alright, screw it. I'm back in. Back in long. Am I in it? 36? Back in at 36. Wow. So stops is at 06 here.
It looks like nothing. They sold that candle on the
Yeah.
close there.
The stop is not a lot. I almost want to run smaller sizing here, not gonna lie. I want to give this some room to breathe. Wow. That tagged me out. That's not good.
Yeah, I just reacted that one mid candle and sold there.
Yeah, it's a lot higher volatility than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. Yeah, the stop looks kind of small, right?
Yeah, it's a little too small.
Yeah.
At least for my liking anyways. The setup is still valid here. They're just kind of sitting in a lower low, lower high. Although, yeah, it probably would invalidate below 200 here, but I don't know. I think I'll make one more attempt, I guess. Give it some time this time. I guess we did kind of set up in an H setup almost, but
Yeah.
it's not really the cleanest It's quite wicky actually. It's wicky on
yeah.
both ends here.
But Apple sold there. I think there was most of the drive
Mm.
there with Google. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna get that 160, 140 though. Raw.
Yeah, fill the imbalance on
Previous week
Arrow.
high, P-Lod. Possibly. No,
I
we've
guess so.
seen the market shift with NVIDIA earnings. Raw.
Yeah.
But,
Didn't really move how I wanted it to be honest.
yeah. This is still supply here. That's
Yeah,
the
no, it
problem
is.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could still definitely hold here for me. We have a tiny lower high on the 1 minute. We're just maybe trying to lose structure here a bit, but so far we've been kind of respecting that structure there.
Oh, we hit overnight high on ES here again there. Is that gonna reclaim that or not? I guess.
Gonna wait. Still rejecting the structure here. 1 minute lower high.
Yeah. Sold overnight high tap, overnight low tap on ES also. below there, 185.
Yeah, imbalance is almost filled. Down to 160. So should have at least a little bit more room there.
I see. I was looking at 4 hour, it's 200. Yeah, around 100.
A 100 flat. Oh, the bigger one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, that actually would maybe be a bit better.
Happens.
I almost want to say it would look better to long at like below 100, 25,000, like 40 or so. 40 or 50. It's not actually bad either. Pull below the
No,
imbalance.
Canada only have one more try, right? So they do.
Raise them up.
We had 2 losses, so we have just 1 try left anyway, right?
Yeah.
Very slow grinding here on the one. This week high on ES here.
Yeah,
P a
selling
lot
just some more
underneath.
here.
29. Yeah. Nvidia looks like you want to go for another low here.
Here's 160. Hourly imbalance. Previous low of day here. This actually could also be support here. Previous low of day lines along both spies and Qs here. Tickers are still selling here a bit. Deep selling here.
And right up previous week high on 36 Nasdaq.
We didn't tap that yet for me. In Qs.
Oh.
Almost though. Really close.
We have a low on Nvidia at 187.46 here.
It still looks
Coming.
really weak. It looks like it continue here.
Yeah.
A little bit of buying there. Previous low of day.
Oh yeah, Apple bought the overnight low there. Big reset previous week low here, 316.3. A big one to supply there. Screen.
A lot of buying there.
Mm.
A lot of buying there. Yeah, I do see we tapped into previous week low on NQ though. I do see that.
Yeah, we hit that. So. I like it that area also. He has had a slightly bigger retrace and hit the bodies there. Well, Nasdaq hit the weak, previous week high.
Yeah. Still holding that 1 minute trend line though. You have to
Yeah.
probably clear above 200 again to look more upside, I think.
Yeah. Maybe they're still selling here. Has a bit more room here for the wicks.
Yeah, I was not expecting this type of sell day, to be honest.
I got a friend request from someone who said, "Can you give me 5k? I'm a skilled trader, please."
Not someone from here.
No.
That's funny.
Yes, he's holding payload here. Maybe it still has slight more room here.
Yeah, I know, I'd agree.
$1.4.
Some tickers also have some little bit more room. Apple's has not tapped into overnight low yet. Came really close. It's not there yet. SPY looks a lot nicer though. How it's holding.
Yeah, it looks good.
Not really seeing anything yet though, just based off tickers, so.
I think Apple looks good here, right? Meta,
Yeah, Apple's okay,
Tesla.
I guess. I don't know.
Google.
Meta's
No, that
good
was
spot
not
for
Google.
retest.
Never mind. Adego, I mean.
Got some buying there, but I guess it's a support. And the zone is kind of wide for me, I think.
Yeah, we could still pull a new leg down here.
Yeah, we could even go to 311, 312. Maybe look to fill the gap even. Yeah, just looking at the daily, it's kind of a tough area. It's this area overall is really wicky on AVGO. Yeah, we still have liquidity at 314. They should have room lower, actually. They should have room lower.
Nasdaq are trying to hold the payload here. It is. Oh, it's under, right? Yeah. Under for now. I see some type of buying here on the CVD. Very slight on the Nasdaq contract, not on the MNQ ones.
selling it more. We have a 1 minute H setup here coming in. This is
And
really
Nvidia
deep
looks
selling.
good for that. Yeah. 0.9% minus 234, but we were up pre-market, right? So it's more. EOS is
Oh,
trying to
Google
get
actually
out
got some buying
of a
action.
payload. Yeah. Tesla also here, we were up.
Maybe it doesn't look so bad.
Nvidia still has slight more room here, but other tickets looks good, kind of decent here. Pop. Yeah, Nvidia is selling. Oh,
AVGO is still
pick out
selling here.
187.
Has liquidity at 314.
I am seeing buy on the CFD on the NASDAQ contracts here
Yeah,
overall.
there should be slight buying here at
Oh.
least. Other tickers look good besides Nvidia and AVGO.
Yeah.
I think once those
It is
actually
kind of close. You just need a small leg down and you
Yeah.
can take that liquidity.
Same with AVGO. Yeah, it's gonna run a liquidity here. And then it should, once I actually get some buying, maybe. We'd look to take a new low day here, though. Qs. Here's 314, and then, yep, previous week low here on QQQ. There it is. Deep push there. 1 minute H setup breaking down.
Yeah, maybe we should have just shorted that based on Nvidia, and they had a slight more room there actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't like shorting at the lows, though, you know that.
yeah.
Especially when we're down this much.
Yeah.
Tough for me. I said, like, 50 possibly is going to be a long area for me.
There's the Nvidia liquidity taken on the left here.
And then, yeah, Apple was able to tap in a overnight low there as well.
Apple
4
is
hour
on the
inbound.
overnight low. We sold.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Sold
below it
the-
right now, but I was able to get that tap into it. I mean, yeah, 4 hour imbalance did get filled there.
Very soon on EOS also. 917. Just slight more here. There it is, I think. Tesla doesn't look that good now, though. I see.
The what?
Tesla
Tesla?
sold the P-Lod here. Yeah. Sold P-Lod. We up.
Yeah.
H
Come
pattern.
back down to equal lows. 411. Each setup. Yeah, that breaks. It doesn't look great. This is a bit knife catchy. Yeah, next area for me is gonna be like, yeah, like that 50 I mentioned. Pull down a little bit deeper inside of that range retest. Hopefully look to see some buying there. And yeah, 30 points should be enough. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're here. Bigger time frame support here.
Yeah, Tesla made that age also there.
Yeah, took out liquidity at the lows.
But, yeah, but
This is very knife catchy. I don't know if I would recommend even
yeah,
following
yeah.
this with me. I kind of don't also hate this area as well. Because I'm worried about our stop. How much room it's gonna work or give us here.
Mhm.
I think this overall area is quite nice though. To say.
And the video saw
Okay,
that
down
after
here.
that liquidity didn't bounce. Priced.
There's 25k psych here. Seven. Alright, I'm back in long. Last attempt off 25k psych. Also at support based on the 4-hour structure.
Do you have a 70 stop then?
Yes, I do. Or 69. I'm in at 499. Or 999 here. Didn't knife catchy, but guess we'll see.
What's your stop at?
69. TP here, we would look for probably retest up to 570 or 2570. I'd say, yeah, 25070.
Yeah, selling
Wow,
deep, selling more here.
not
Maybe
even off
just keep selling there.
25k psych. It's gonna tag me. Yep. All right. Well, that's a day for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Tesla sold a lot more there. Same with Microsoft actually.
Zero buying. Wow, minus 1.6% right now on tech. Let's see if we were right about this area though. Near 25k. Yeah, I guess we filled another imbalance down to, what is it? 960, 950. But man, this is very deep. Very, very deep. No buying whatsoever across this area, but I guess this, I mean, it's still an hourly candle, so it could get it could maybe wick back up, but it's a bit volatile here for me. And I will be out with that for 3.
Yeah, we got a bit smoked today.
A little bit. Caught the longs, but
Could this be a higher, lower high on the ES than on the daily? Let's continue sell this. Oh no. Yes. Sure.
yeah, not really sure what to think about this move now anymore, to be honest. We kind of just invalidated all structure here. So it's kind of hard for me to tell, honestly, what we're gonna do here.
The back test long didn't happen at all.
Yeah, no, there was zero back
pop.
test.
Yeah.
Super aggressive selling here.
Yeah.
Which I'm
Minus
quite surprised at
1.8.
because, I mean, Nvidia earnings was good. It's not like it was bad there. Yeah, Nvidia's all the way back down to 185 already. Wow.
Yeah.
I think we were here like last week or something like that. I don't remember.
Not a fun day. Not a fun day.
Not a fun day. No.
Yeah.
Absolutely wrecked through all my positions there. I don't even think I seen green today. Oh no,
No,
I
no,
did.
no,
I did on that last one a little bit, like 20 points,
Oh,
but
yeah.
still not nearly enough. I am curious to see how far this is gonna go down, though. It's very interesting. Very interesting move here.
We're going to zero on Nvidia earnings. So.
Maybe.
We're going to zero. That won't be fun to trade if you're not in a short. Then you get infinity money glitch.
Infinite money glitches. It's crazy.
All the way to 900 here. Wow. They
Yeah.
just keep selling. Google also. Tesla. Yeah, Bix about 20. Looking at Wix, it's holding the higher low. So I guess.
Wait, yeah, you said a VIX?
Yeah, on the daily. Look at it.
VIX.
We're holding that trend line. And we saw a lot of
Oh,
buying
yeah.
today.
No, we did hold that higher low, yeah. I guess that makes sense.
Yeah. No, I was $90 from and now I'm not close anymore. Oops. Oops.
Yeah, very unfortunate. Just a bad day.
Yeah, that's how it is. I had nice payouts on February, not gonna complain. But some accounts kinda getting close now. Yeah. Shouldn't have taken payout today, yesterday on those. Ah, it's fine. They paid a lot.
Yeah, looks
I'm
like we're
waiting
still going.
for 3k more.
How low could we go? How low could we go? Is this support here? I don't know. I'd have no levels here. I feel like all my levels just disappeared.
No, yes, this is daily first supply for me, 875. Then we have 848. Yeah. But I didn't think we would sell all this without even get a bounce.
Yeah,
No.
that's how it is though.
Yeah.
Sometimes markets just don't care about any of the levels and just rip through everything.
I think we should have tried to slow down a bit today, though. Wait a bit more for this sell to
Yeah, maybe. I guess,
settle.
yeah.
Yeah.
First on an overnight low, I think was okay. Maybe the second attempt, maybe not so much. I didn't mind our 25k area. Although I guess, yeah, it kind of was a little knife catchy, so maybe, yeah, probably shouldn't have. But I think even, yeah, we don't really have to catch a bottom here because, yeah, the reversal or bounce is going to be generous no matter what. I guess that's something that, gotta keep into consideration here as well.
Yeah, thought on buying here. Actually, Meta, Microsoft, and Apple was that supply there. Yeah. Guess this is the first.
Yeah, Apple done a previous low update. Microsoft, previous low update
Not
as well.
seeing a lot more buying
Yep.
on others, but hard to have a triple low, but that's also how it goes.
Yeah, it's happened before. We recovered from it.
Yeah.
I think we had one in the beginning of the month, actually, right? Yeah, we did.
Yeah. No, it was more than this. We had broader stops then also because it was higher ATR, right? It was like 3 plus a half trade or something like that. I think, right? 105 points
Something like
or
that.
something. Yeah, something
Yeah,
like that.
32k red day that was.
Yeah, not the best start on the Apex accounts. No.
Yeah, my week is officially red now.
Yeah. Mine
Well,
also, I think.
it's
I'm
not
gonna watch
terrible
this.
red, to be honest. I don't know if I want to maybe come back here tomorrow. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. See if we can make some of it back.
Ah, 2-3 is normal. We had a good run. It happens. So I'm gonna see. Do you want to play a chess game or do you need to
I don't know. I think I need to
relax?
step away from desk, to be honest.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Wow, we're still going. I do kind of just want to sit here and watch this, though. I'm curious where we're going to hold.